Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. If you are returning back for another Temu haul, well, you've come to the right spot. I would like to welcome my returning subscribers as well as my new. And if you are considering subscribing, I would ask you to check out my content, and if you like it, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, and I do all kinds of things including Temu and some other unboxings and hauls. But today I have a sponsored collaboration with Temu in this big old package here, and it's packed full of bags, all kinds of bags that you would need for the season. It is I guess you could say, a bag haul, and quite the variety. Do you shop Temu? Have you shopped Temu? Temu is an online marketplace where you can find all kinds of things, and I am an influencer, and as I just mentioned, this package was sent to me free from Temu through the seeding program that they give to us to choose out items in the campaign. And this campaign is the perfect bags for every occasion. So we're going to find out what I picked. I am going to give you the pricing as well as links down in my description. I'm also going to provide you with a 50% off code, INC76154, that you will find also down in my description, along with all the links and prices of each item. Now, the prices that I tell you today and have on the screen will be the prices when I purchased through the seeding program. And when I say purchase, I really didn't purchase. They were sent to me for free. I just want to make sure that that's clear. Now, in addition to the discount, on the 50% off, you also get free shipping, you get free 90-day returns, and you get a 30-day price match. You can contact them and they'll give you credit, and you will have more dollars to spend. Now, when you use your coupon code, be sure and have your shopping done either prior to downloading the app or on your computer at temu.com or your phone, and pick out the items that you want, because you only get about an hour to use that 50% off, and I want to make sure that you all get a chance to do that. Also, if you have not downloaded the app, you can also save another a 50% off as well, with the same manner of an hour to use it, but you get an additional $100 coupons that you can use for future purchases. So Temu is very friendly, and I want to tell you more about Temu. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate or influencer like myself, you can check out the link that I will have down in my description. You do not have to be a YouTube channel in order to be an affiliate, and they will have the details in the link that I provide down below. Now, I think I've covered everything other than the fact that if you're looking for Christmas shopping and you haven't started, well, now's a good time, and you can use those discounts that I mentioned. Also, be sure and check my channel for several other videos that have Christmas ideas and or gift ideas that you may be interested in. I do have a DIY advent calendar collaboration where you can find all kinds of items. So without any further ado, let's check and see what I have in this bag. They always pack it up really good. I don't know how they get all these items in there, but my first item is this. Now, you have seen this bag on many channels, and it's the small Kawaii beach tote toiletry bag, and or whatever you want to use it for. It's EVA waterproof, it's lightweight for storage, and the small size was $5.29. Now, I got it in an orangey color. You can get it, or maybe they called it yellow, but it's got the handles on there, and I know I'm going to have to do something about fixing those. Oh, there we go. This is just perfect for your bag, your beach bag, your bag inside a bag. Or if you have the larger size of this, you could have it inside the large Kawaii bag. But my purpose for this was to put my suntan oils and any other liquids that I want to make sure doesn't spill off into my bag, and if it does, it'll be in this waterproof bag. Now, you could also set drinks down in there if you wanted to keep something a little colder, or you didn't want it to sweat and get on your clothes. You could use this actually for any kind of storage, but that was my purpose. And you can see that it's tall enough to hold a good size bottle of suntan screen or spray, and it's got lots of room on the inside for that, for incidental items. And this would also be perfect if you're just out running and you just got to throw a couple of things in, or even if you have children and you've got to go and you've got a baby with a bottle and maybe you need a couple of diapers, you could even use something like this for that. So this is just really a handy little bag, and I'm going to use it for more than just probably going to the beach. But that is why I got this, and it was $5.29. Now the next item that I got would make a perfect gift for a young girl who likes Hello Kitty. This is a Sanrio Hello Kitty silicone bag. It's Kawaii crossbody purse, and it's with zipper and a shoulder strap. And on the inside, we're going to have our shoulder strap. And this is perfect for a young girl and just so cute and stylish. And it would be perfect for going to school. They can use this for like chapstick or any other incidentals. But this is the small size Hello Kitty bag, and it was $6.99. And it's got, like I said, just enough room. It's made out of silicone, so it's really soft. It's also water resistant, and you can just see that they can just toss this over on their shoulder and have their little Hello Kitty right there. And of course it does extend, so if they want it to be longer and be a crossbody, they could certainly do that. And this is going to make a great Christmas gift. So I just thought that is adorable. So we got Hello Kitty and $6.99. The next perfect bag that I have for any occasion is right here. Now, are you a teacher? Do you have a teacher that you'd like to gift something to? This is a woven bag, and it says, "I'm a teacher, what's your superpower?" And this will make an excellent Christmas present for your favorite teacher, and it's only $7.99, and that's what it is currently. It could be higher or it could be lower. They do have lightning sales. And I might not have mentioned that, but sometimes you can get, some really good deals, up to 80 or 90% off on their lightning sales. You can also sometimes get a coupon that they send to you. You play a little game, you spin the wheel, and you get 90% off of one item. So they always have all kinds of deals, and this is so cute. I'm a teacher, what's your superpower? It does have a button enclosure. So when you're out shopping and you want to have it closed up, or if you've got this at school, toting your books and homework, that would be what I would think a teacher might use this for. But it's also got a plastic liner in there, and it also has a zip pocket. And again, I will have the current prices and the links to all of these down in my description, but that is super cute. Another bag for all occasions. My next item is Christmas bags. You get a set of 8, 4 different styles, and it's gift bags, tote bags with a handle. It's multifunctional. So this can be a Christmas gift bag, or you can shop with this. I want to show you all the different ones that they have. They have the Merry Christmas. They have the Merry Christmas with the Santa, and you get 2 of each. They have this one here, Merry Christmas with Santa Claus on it, as you can see, and they all have like a little shine to it. And they also have this style. So there's 4 different styles, and the price on these was $8.49. So you're paying about $1 a bag, a little over, maybe $1.05 or $7. But it is a great purchase, and I want to show you the quality. I'm just going to pick this one up. But it is made of like that woven, I want to say woven plastic. I don't know if it actually tells me. It just says it's gift bags, and it can be a tote. And it's heavy duty, so if you've got something special that you're wanting to tote, like a bunch of little gifts inside of this nice decorative bag, you could do that, because it's really, see, it's really stout. And I don't know what fabric that you call that, but I want to say it's a woven coated type weave of canvas with the colors on there. And I got the foil. I think on there they ask you which ones you want, and I got the bronzing. So bronzing may mean that it's got a little bit more flair, a little bit more detail in the colors, like the Merry Christmas shining, and then shining with the landscape there. But really cute, and I thought that was a great value for $8.49, and that's what my price was when I checked out in the seating program. And as you can see, these are all great Christmas ideas. The next item I have is a wallet. And this is a men's wallet. It's a short wallet, and it says short wallet money clip multi-card holder, and it's leather. Hey guys, before I go on to that, let's stop and back the truck up. With the little teacher's bag, this fell out when I pulled out the stuffing. So it also has a cute little decorative woven canvas bag that's got a zipper on it that you can also use, and on the inside it is lined. So it could be a pencil holder or a cosmetic, whatever they'd want to use it for, and it just drops right down in here. It's got a wristlet, so you could even use it for like a wallet. So that is something else that comes in your teacher's bag, and I didn't realize that. It fell out. But back to the wallet. The wallet is a leather wallet, and it was only $1.29, and this of course makes a great gift, and of course storage for your credit cards and your ID, and of course your money on the inside that you can put in there. There's two different little pockets there inside the wallet, and it's very nice. It's good quality. It's got a little bit of decoration, and I believe this one is in the color coffee, and you could get it in black, brown, cognac, and coffee. And like I said, it was $1.29, and great Christmas gift idea. So wow. And I have one more item, and this was a large item, and it's in this bag. And this is a large capacity travel backpack with shoe compartment, Dacron lightweight material, so it's water resistant. You're going to have multiple pockets on here. It is a backpack that you could travel with and use also on the airline if you wanted to carry this. And it has all these different compartments in it. In the bottom, you're going to have a shoe storage down here in the bottom, and it is lined. So if your shoes get a little, dirty after wearing them, and you've got to come back home, and or you're packing and you don't have time to get them spotless, then it's not going to hurt anything, and you can pack a good sized pair of shoes in there. And that's on this side here. Up here at the top, this is the inside here, where you have multiple pockets in here and little sleeves that you can store things. You also have a divider, and you also have more storage on the other side. And I'm going to see if this unzips all the way. I think it does. This is just a clever little backpack. And guys, I got it in light gray, and it was $28.49. So it's a great price, a great gift idea. I want to show you, this is the back side. You can adjust this on this side. It's got like the breathable fabric there. It's got a handle too. If you don't want to, have it over your back or shoulder, you can carry it. It also has a zipper pouch right here where you can store your phone and maybe other items. You might could fit a tablet in here, a small tablet down in this pocket. And then it also has another compartment right here where you could slide a laptop computer down into. Really handy. I mean, it's all the way the length of that. So you could actually get this thing packed out really nice, having your shoes and what have you down in the bottom, and any other item I suppose that you'd want. On the side, it has water bottle holder, so you got that on one side, all for $28.49. I say that's a good deal. So I like this, and if you travel or if you're backpacking, you're gonna have your spaces in here to store things on each side. And I don't know that I'm able to show that to you just perfectly, but you can see down in there, there's lots of room. So guys, that is my Temu bags for any occasion haul. And I think I got some good purchases. What do you think? Do you have a favorite? I don't know. It's gonna be hard to pick a favorite out of these. This here was like really cool and really nice, and I'm gonna use that. I know this will make a great Christmas gift for the wallet. This teacher's bag is excellent for a teacher and or a gift for a teacher. They would really love that. And remember, I showed you lately that it has a wristlet to go with it. We had 8 of these for Christmas, and you can use them for gifts and or for shopping. We got the Hello Kitty silicone small size purse. It can be a shoulder bag or a crossbody for the girl. We also got this here, the Kawaii little bag, and this is the small one. I think it's like 9 inches tall and 7 inches wide, just in case you want to know. And inside there was this little Hello Kitty pin, and it wasn't wrapped or anything. I don't know if they just threw that in there, maybe to put on here. Maybe that's what it is, a little decor piece. Oh, well, that would be cute, wouldn't it? I bet that's what that is. Yep, that's what that is. So it came with a decor piece that I didn't even realize, and you can probably get other ones to tag on there if you want to. But that's adorable, and I'll use that. And I like that it's got the little Hello Kitty on there. Really nice. And I don't know what's my favorite, so you let me know what your favorite is. I'm gonna lean toward this backpack only because it is something that I can definitely use for traveling, and or if we go on any kind of camping trips or anything. But that is my Temu for today. I want to thank you all for joining me. Be sure and check my descriptions if you are new to Temu, so you can save 50% off your first order. Get ready for Christmas. Be sure and check my descriptions for other giveaways. I do have a Temu DIY Advent Calendar collaboration going on, as I had mentioned earlier. Not only will you be able to find great gift ideas, you'll also have an opportunity to win your own Advent Calendar gifts from the 7 different channels. You can also find that link down in my description, and I do have a surprise giveaway running around out there, and on that one you just have to be watching it. So watch my videos, because you never know when I'm going to have a surprise giveaway thrown in there, and there may be some other ones going on. I do have several things currently going on. But as for Temu and the bags for every occasion, that's all I have, and as usual I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.